हेलो स्टूडेंट, वेलकम टू आवर यूट्यूब चैनल आर के आउटपुट। मैं राहुल कलंके आप सबका अपने चैनल आर के आउटपुट में स्वागत करता हूँ। लेट अस सी स्टूडेंट, वी हैव ऑलरेडी फिनिश्ड द वन वीडियो विच इज ऑन द टाइप्स ऑफ द प्लांट, पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट एंड द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट वी ईट एज अ फूड। हमने इसके पहले टाइप्स ऑफ प्लांट, पार्ट्स ऑफ प्लांट पर एक वीडियो बनाया था। आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव वॉच्ड दैट वीडियो. So today we are going to study the structure of the leaf. आज हम लीफ की रचना सीखने वाले हैं कि लीफ की रचना कैसी होगी. Also we are going to study what are the function of the leaf. Let us start from the structure of the leaf. Now let us see here. This is a leaf. Okay, we know that very well that leaf is having various types of designs are there. If you will see in your surrounding, you may get that various types of leaves with the different margin, different size, different shape, different thickness. You can get it over there, but the general structure will be in this way only. आप आपके आस पड़ोस में बहुत सारे झाड़ के जो पत्ते होते हैं वो देखते होंगे, लेकिन उसमें आपको बहुत सारी विविधताएं दिखाई देती होंगी, जैसे कि उस पत्ते का आकार हो गया, उस पत्ते का रंग हो गया. रंग भी हमें अलग अलग तरीके के दिख सकते हैं. ओके, बट हियर वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी द व्हाट इज अ बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. सभी इसमें बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर या फिर बेसिक कॉमन चीजें क्या रहेंगी, दैट वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी टुडे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट फ्रॉम दिस. वी नो दैट द लीफ grows on the branches over there. यहाँ पर branches से जब start होगा, now it is connected. Okay, your leaf, this is your leaf. The leaf is connected to your branch. Okay, with the help of small stick that is called it as a petiole. उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, petiole. So this portion is called it as a petiole. At the end, I will show you the diagram of the leaf, so you will understand it betterly. Now let us see the leaf. The border of the leaf is called it as a leaf margin. Border जो रहेगा leaf का उसे हम leaf margin कहेंगे. After that, the small holes, okay, or we can say the small pores which are presented on the leaf, but these holes are invisible to us. Leaf पर कुछ छोटे छोटे pores होते हैं, तो छेद जिसे हम कह सकेंगे, बट वो इतने छोटे होते हैं कि we cannot see them with our naked eyes. We cannot say with our naked eyes. So these holes or these small pores are called it as a stomata. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे, stomata. And what is the role of this stomata? Stomata is playing very important role in the process of transpiration and in the process of photosynthesis. Let us see the next part. Now you can see this is a middle line which we can see it over there. This middle line is called it as a main vein. Okay, main vein, or it is called it as a midrib. It is also called it as a midrib. Now what is the role of this main vein? Now whatever minerals, whatever water is absorbed by the roots, that will be sent through the via stem to all the parts of the plant. Plant के सभी parts को वो minerals या फिर आपका जो कुछ वाटर नीचे से आएगा, that will be circulated over there, and यहाँ आने के बाद through the petiole it will enter into the midrib and then it will be given to the all parts of the leaf. तो ये this is a midrib, and now some veins are connected to your midrib. Okay, कुछ veins आपके midrib या फिर main vein से connected रहेंगे. These are called it as a veins. Okay, your veins are connected to main vein. After that, the green portion, जो कुछ green portion होता है leaf का, this is called it as a leaf lamina. This is called it as a leaf lamina. You can see this. After that, the tip of the leaf. Okay, tip of the leaf is called it as a leaf apex. Okay, dear student, 100% if you will see that, if you will notice this all the parts over there carefully, there is a question in your textbook also, or it will be also asked in the examination that explain the structure of the leaf. This is just a question for the 3 or 4 marks over there, and that's the reason I am telling you, if you will prepare the diagram properly, then you can write it well. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इजी पार्ट है. ऑलरेडी इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग दिस. वंस अगेन विद इन 1 minute I will explain you this small stalk which is connecting leaf to the branch, that is called it as a petiole. The margin, or we can say the border of the leaf, is called it as a leaf margin. After that, the small pores which are presented on the leaf lamina is called it as a stomata. After that, the main vein which is passing through the leaf is called it as a midrib. Okay, it is also called it as a midrib or main vein. The other veins which are connected to main veins, okay, you can see on that. The green portion is called it as a leaf lamina, whereas the tip of the leaf is called it as a leaf apex. Okay, I hope that you understood our first part of the today's session, that is structure of leaf. Let us start the next part over there, but before starting the next part, do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel, that is RK Output, where you can give us the feedback through your comments, and you can mention on which topic you want the video, and we will definitely try to solve your queries also, and we will try to prepare the video on the basis of your comments. Okay, so do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel RK Output. Let us go to the next part. Now what are the functions of leaf? Leaf plant में क्या करता है? लीफ प्लांट में क्या करता है? तो हमें यहाँ पर देखना है. नंबर 1, देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स व्हिच वी आर ऑब्जर्विंग इन आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, बट देयर आर 2 मेन बेसिक फंक्शंस आर देयर ऑफ द लीफ. लीफ के 2 मेन बेसिक फंक्शंस रहेंगे. फंक्शन मतलब उनके काम क्या है. तो लेट अस पे अटेंशन. नंबर 1, दैट इज अ ट्रांसपिरेशन. नाउ वी नो दैट वेरी वेल. आप सबने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा. नाउ आई विल आस्क यू वन क्वेश्चन, यू आस्क दैट टू योरसेल्फ एंड यू कैन गिव मी द आंसर. देखो क्वेश्चन क्या है. You are in the summer season is going on, and you now want to stand under the shadow. आपको shadow के अंदर खड़ा रहना. Now there are 2 shadows are there in front of you. One shadow is of the building, एक building का shadow गिरा है, और एक बहुत बड़ा और बहुत ही हरा भरा एक tree है, उसका एक shadow गिरा है. तो on which shadow you will feel relief over there? आपको relief कौन से shadow में मिलेगा? Both are shadow, but you will feel relief in the shadow of the tree. आपके tree के shadow में आपको अच्छा महसूस होगा. What is the reason behind that? Because the trees are continuously doing the transpiration and they keeps the plant cool. Transpiration मतलब क्या? The loss of the water through the leaves through stomata is called it as a transpiration. Loosening of water from the plants में से water का loss होना, that is called it as a transpiration. Now how can you find it out the transpiration? अभी हमने जो leaf देखा है, if you want to do, you can do this experiment at home. आपने एक experiment करना है. ये जो leaf रहेगा, to that leaf you can apply one polythene bag. इसको आपने एक polythene bag लगा देनी है for a day, and in the evening if you will take it check it over there, then you can get that the small droplets will appear over there. So due to the sunlight or due to the heat of the sunlight, what will happen? All the water which is presented under the tree, that will try to lose, or that will start showing the evaporation. जैसे हम evaporation कहते हैं, water changes into water vapors. तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Water, plant का water निकल जाएगा through the heat. So that is called it as a transpiration method. When the transpiration will be more, when there is a more heat, more transpiration. Understood? And the transpiration keeps the plant cool. Okay. Next is that is a photosynthesis. Now what is photosynthesis? We know that we are always saying the leaves are the food factory of the plant. हम हमेशा कहते हैं कि प्लांट का किचन कौन है? तो आपके प्लांट का किचन आपका लीफ है. ओके, और इट इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड इट एज अ फूड फैक्ट्री ऑफ द प्लांट. तो इसे एक फूड फैक्ट्री क्यों कहा जाता है? बिकॉज द प्लांट इज अ ऑटोट्रोपिक ऑर्गेनिज्म एंड दे मेक द फूड फॉर देमसेल्फ. वो खुद का खाना खुद बनाते हैं. और किस तरह से बनाया जाएगा? फॉर दैट 3 थिंग्स आर वेरी इसेंशियल ओवर देयर. दैट इज अ एयर, जिससे एयर से आपको क्या मिलेगा? यू विल गेट द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. सो विच 3 थिंग्स आर इसेंशियल ओवर देयर? नंबर 1, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, विच वी विल गेट थ्रू द एयर. Okay, next that is a water which we will get it from the soil, and we required light which we are getting it from the sunlight over there. We know that. Now who will bring what? कौन क्या लेकर आएगा? That is also very important over there. As I told you, stomata is playing very important role. स्टोमेटा ट्रांसपिरेशन में भी हेल्प करेगा एंड स्टोमेटा विल ऑल्सो प्ले the role in the photosynthesis also. Photosynthesis में वो क्या करेगा? The small pores will take the carbon dioxide inside and after the photosynthesis process they will release oxygen in the surrounding. तो स्टोमेटा का काम क्या है? To take the carbon dioxide from the air. After that the water will be absorbed by the soil through the root. Okay, root की हेल्प से क्या किया जाएगा? ऊपर खींचा जाएगा एंड इट विल बी सर्कुलेटेड टुवर्ड्स द लीफ. फिर लीफ तक आपका वाटर आ गया. द स्टोमेटा विल ब्रिंग द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एंड नाउ द लीफ इज हैविंग ग्रीन कलर पिगमेंट कॉल्ड इट एज अ क्लोरोफिल. आपके इसमें लीफ, व्हाई द लीव्स आर ग्रीन इन कलर? बिकॉज दे हैव क्लोरोफिल इन इट. ओके, उसमें क्लोरोफिल होता है. सो क्लोरोफिल इज अ ग्रीन कलर पिगमेंट जिनका काम क्या है? टू ट्रैप द सनलाइट. ओके, सनलाइट को खींचने का काम कौन करेगा? क्लोरोफिल करेगा. So you can see this. So all these three together comes over there and then they will make the food that is called as sugar, that is glucose, will be prepared by these plants over there, and then we can see that the oxygen will be released at the end of the photosynthesis process. Understood everyone? I hope that today you have enjoyed our today's video in which we have studied what is the structure of the leaf and the two main function of the leaf. Okay, I hope that you all have understood today's concept. We will be back with the new concepts over there. Till then, like, share and subscribe our channel RK Output. Thank you very much.